So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the chart font size or the text size inside of a chart here on Keynote. So once your Keynote presentations open up, just go to the top here and add a chart. We'll just go ahead and add a 2D chart here for demonstration purposes. Now, if you wanted to edit the font, so the font right here, it's very straightforward. Press on the font of the text right here. It'll open up this axis label side right here. Scroll down to where it says font right here. Pretty self-explanatory. Press on font, and you can select whatever font you're looking for. So let's just say you want to go with Rockwell. Now, if you want to increase the size, for instance, or maybe this is a bad example, we'll just go back to what we had before, Arial. If you want to increase the font size, simply just go to the number right here and either bring it up like this. To edit it, you can make it larger, you can make it smaller, whatever the case may be. Same thing works for the other axis. You can make it larger or you can make it smaller. It's up to you completely. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to edit the font size of a chart here in Keynote. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.